One of the challenges our community has is establishing their own community before building their product, which is advice we give out a lot, but there's a lot of anxiety with that, a lot of confusion, a lot of frustration trying to get people interested in my topic or find people who are interested in my topic asking questions. I guess, is there any best practices or ideas that we have to get that sort of loop started? I know I started on YouTube, creating YouTube videos, answering simple questions in under 2 minutes, and that sort of helped to guide my course sites into what direction I was going to go with it, without having to invest a lot of time into building a course, which is something I did do. My first course site, I invested a ton of effort and time into it, and then launched it, and there were crickets. But then my next course site I launched started out with a simple YouTube channel that helped guide my positioning, and then that inspired a course from there. But I didn't start out knowing exactly what the course is going to be. Are there any other tips that you think are good, like starting a Facebook group, any other communities online, starting a YouTube channel? What do you think is a good practice for people to start nurturing where they can be great and serve people online?
Course creators have to be content creators.
Yeah.
So you might as well get the reps and the sets in, helping people for free through a medium that matches your personality style. So I personally agree that YouTube is one of the best. Some of our most successful customers, like Angela Brown, has a YouTube channel specifically for her audience, and she kind of has these Q&A style videos that are really good. She has many hundreds of thousands of viewers now, and those people that watch those videos later become her customer. But maybe you're more of a not in front of the camera person. Maybe it's a podcast. Maybe you love social media, so it could be a Facebook group or an Instagram account, or doing a bunch of live streams. Or you could be doing it in person somewhere at industry conferences or speaking from the stage. But yeah, basically, it's not that complicated. It's just think about your product beginning before somebody buys. So make some of you helping people free. And whatever that channel that makes sense for you, the podcast, the YouTube, maybe you're a writer. It could be an awesome blog or a book. But you can start creating free product. And I put product in quotes. And that's kind of how you get the flywheel going. And that's why it's also really important to have a clear audience and have some passion about what you do, not just about making money, because you're getting on a train that's going to go for a while. It's going to be harder than you think. And, the people that are the most successful are consistently creating valuable free content as well.